So the Guru has a small fire of knowledge and content of knowledge, then he may have some suffering if he takes too many disciples. So Rupa Goswami, in one place, I think it's in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, he said the disciple should be careful that he takes initiation from a Madhyamadikari. Because now this is the kind of catch-22, because, well, there's what the confusion, which I didn't feel like developing in that article, becomes too long. But there's something, there's a transition point. Because there's Uttamadikari. In other words, when we're talking about Adhikar, Adhikar means a measurement of one's faith. It's all told there in that article. Faith and knowledge. So at least one should take from a Madhyam Adhikar Guru. Madhyam Adhikar Guru preaches. Kanishta should not preach and make disciples. He should just do bhajan. And then the Uttamadikar, he preaches, makes disciples. Uttamadikar doesn't mean that he's an Uttamadikari. The Uttamadikar devotee, he preaches. But when you're preaching, then you have these four points. You preach to the innocent, and you avoid the atheist, and you befriend the devotees, and you try to lovingly serve the Lord. That's the Uttam Bhakta.